Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech and Code Vibe. So have you ever wondered how companies collect data from different sources, clean it and prepare it for analysis automatically? Well, today we are going to understand AWS Glue in just 2 minutes. And by the end of this video you will know exactly what it is, why it is used and how it works. So let's get started. Imagine your company receives customer data from a database, sales data from Amazon S3 and order data from an API. Now the challenge is that all this data is stored in different places, right? So before we can analyze it, we need to collect it, clean it and move it into one center location. And doing this manually every day would be a time consuming task. This is where AWS Glue comes into the picture. AWS Glue is a serverless data integration and ETL service provided by AWS. So think of it as a smart assistant that automatically extracts data from different sources, transform it by cleaning and processing it, and loads it into a destination like Amazon Redshift or Snowflake. So this process is known as ETL, extract, transform and load. So one of the biggest advantages of AWS Glue is that it's serverless. That means you don't need to create or manage any servers. AWS takes care of the infrastructure for you, allowing you to focus on building data pipelines. Also, AWS Glue provides a feature called the Glue Crawler, which scans your data, identifies its schema, and stores the metadata in the Glue data catalog. So this makes it easy for other AWS services to understand and use your data. So in simple words, AWS Glue is a service that automates the process of collecting, transforming and loading data, making it one of the most important tools for data engineering. And that's AWS Glue explained in just 2 minutes. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Tech and Code Vibe and let me know in the comments which AWS service you would like me to explain next. Thanks for watching.